Hi everyone, my name is Amanda McGuire and this is my introduction discussion board for MPA 560. Currently, I am the CPP and Affordable Housing Specialist for Inland Regional Center. Inland Regional Center is a nonprofit that serves individuals with developmental disabilities in both San Bernardino and Riverside counties. My specific job is to develop specialized homes, affordable housing, and other projects using state allotted funds. As you can see in the bottom left-hand corner, that is a specialized home that I developed in Apple Valley. On the far right-hand side, the bottom corner, is a project that I'm currently involved in, which is 105 apartment units in Coachella, which will be affordable housing units, so low income, with 10 of those units being held specifically for the individuals I work with. And then in the middle are some other projects that I currently have going on in work. And then as far as travel goes, I love to travel. I was lucky enough to be able to do a study abroad in London during my undergrad, all the way back in 2003. While I was there, I lived there for about 4 months. I loved it. And we were able to take trips to Venice, to Belgium, and to Paris, as well as Amsterdam. Of those places, my favorite was actually Belgium. The food, the people, and just the overall history of the city of Bruges was awesome. And then lastly, I also more recently took a river cruise in Russia from Moscow to St. Petersburg. And my favorite spot on that trip was a place called Kysy Island. And you can see that picture next to the map of Russia, which has a giant church that was built in the 17th century entirely out of wood with a metal roof, and the whole island itself is only about 5 miles in radius, so that was really cool to experience also. And then lastly, as far as experience with program evaluation, in my previous position with the company called Enthesis, a nonprofit that provides services to people with disabilities, I managed 2 day services, and we went through something that was called CARF, which was a program evaluation to make sure that our programs met all of the regulations, both state and federally, once every 3 years. And there were different measurements that they took based on their visits and observations that they did. And that's all that I have for today. Thank you all. Looking forward to another class with you.